Hey guys, Mr. T here, just doing another video. This one is on the addition of larger numbers. So when you're dealing with large numbers, it's a bit unrealistic to use a number line to find the sum, given you're limited by the size of your page. So if you're adding hundreds to hundreds, you don't actually have enough space on your page to draw a number line long enough to add these together. And you don't have enough time to jump hundreds of times left or right. Well, to the right if you're adding. So instead, you should use vertical addition to instead add only the digits in each place value to find the answer. So vertical addition is used because it breaks down the addition to one place value at a time. And so the only things that you're adding is two smaller numbers, okay, to find the answer. So the steps are, write the numbers being added one on top of the other, aligned on the right side with their digits in the ones or units column. So the way that you should align it should look like this. So the numbers that I'm adding are 235 and 1246. I need to align it according to the digits in the units column, which are 5 and 6. So I'm going to write the first number at the top, and then 6 should be under the 5 because they're both in the units column. 4 should be under the 3 because it's in the tens. 2 under the other 2, and then 1. So you can see that it has been aligned on the right hand side. Okay? You don't want to align it like this. So 2, 3, 5, and then 1, 2, 4, 6. That's been aligned on the left hand side. And you can see that the place values aren't in their place. The 6 is in the units, but there's nothing in the units of 235 when there's clearly 5 in the units of 235. Okay, so that is not how you want to align it. Okay. Step 2, write the addition sign plus, that plus sign there to the left of the bottom number to remind you that you are adding. Also draw a line below the bottom number. So this is more set up here. You put a plus to the left of 1246 and write a line under all of it, because under that line is going to be where you put the answer. So now this is a tricky step, but if you practice, you'll get good at it. So starting from the units place value, so starting from the right of the stack, the two numbers added on top of each other, add the numbers to each other in the place value that you're looking at, so the unit stack. Write the last digit of the sum under the line below the numbers being added. If the sum is more than one digit, write the non-last digit above the next place value to the left. This is called carrying over. So it's a lot of writing there. I better break it down. So we're going to go from where we were again, draw a line there. So I'm looking first at the units place value, which is here, units. It's on the right. We align them to each other. And I'm going to add those numbers to each other and write the last digit of the sum under the line below the numbers being added. So 5 and 6 are the numbers being added. I'm going to write something underneath 5 and 6, and that something is the last digit of their sum. 5 and 6. So if I draw a number line, I'm going to start at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I'm going 5 and I'm adding 6 to it, I'm jumping 6 to the right from 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's actually going to be 11. So the last digit of their sum is 1. I'm going to write that under 5 and 6. But if the sum is more than one digit, which it is, it was 11, write the non-last digit above the next place value to the left. This is called carrying over. So I've written the last digit of 11 here, but I need to write the non-last digit, which is the 1 in the tens column of 11, above the tens column, which is the next place value to the left. I carried over the 1 in 11, which was the answer to 5 plus 6. Once the numbers in a place value have been added, which I did, 5 and 6 makes 11, and you've carried over any digit to the next place value on the left, I did, because I wrote the 1 from 11 here, and I put the 1 which is the other digit of 11, over the next place value. Add all the numbers in the next place value and repeat step 3. So now I'm looking at this place value, which is the tens column. Tens, I'm going to add them all together. 1, 3, and 4. 1 plus 3, I'll draw a number line actually just to help you out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm starting at 1, and I'm going to add 3. So jump 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. So I'm at 4. After I've added 3 to 1, but I still need to add 4. So I'm going to go from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I finish at 8. When I've added 3 to 1, and then 4 to 3 to 1. So the answer is 8. There's no other digits to that. It's just one number. So I'm done with that. And repeat step 3. So I don't need to carry over anything anymore. I need to move to the next place value to the left. So I'm looking at this, which is the hundreds. Place value. 2 plus 2. That's 4. There's no digits to carry over. So I move on to the last place value here. There is no digits in the top number, so you can imagine there's a 0 there, but that doesn't make a difference because I'm not adding anything anyway. 0 plus 1, it's going to be 1, so the answer is going to be 1,481. Okay, that is how you do the vertical addition. I've shown you how to carry over to the next place value on the left, and hopefully that helps you out, and I'll see you on the next video.